You know, there's a reason why it's called the Polar Express. Oh, I've been robbed. You know, there's a reason why it's called the Polar Express. Polar Express, huh? Smokey and Steamer are on the diesel. Oh no. Polar Express, huh? Faster than Gordon, huh? Yeah, honk. I wish I had a place in this. I like trains. I like trains. They stole my coaches. I'm speeding. I'm breaking the law. I'm not Polar Express, and I'm pulling its train anyway. I'm totally the Polar Express. I'm just repainted. Be lucky that you can move at all. Oh look, Smokey and Steamer's on that one too. And trees and, oh, a truck. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's a chassis system engine. That's enough.